This is the International Space Station, the most expensive object humanity has ever built, costing over $150 billion. But what makes it worth the price? Weighing 440 tons and stretching 109 meters long, the ISS travels at 28,000 kilometers per hour, completing 15.5 orbits around Earth every single day. 5 space agencies, NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and the Canadian Space Agency, united to create this orbital laboratory, home to continuous human presence for over 25 years. To understand its scale, the ISS is as long as a football field with a habitable volume equal to a 6-bedroom house. Its enormous solar arrays generate enough power to run 40 average homes. The station consists of 15 modules: the American Destiny Laboratory, Russian Zarya and Zvezda modules, Europe's Columbus Lab, Japan's Kibo, the largest single module, plus living quarters, airlocks, and storage. Canada contributed the iconic Canadarm2, a 17-meter robotic arm essential for assembly and maintenance. Orbiting at 400 kilometers altitude, the ISS screams through space at 7.66 kilometers per second. So fast, it completes one full orbit in just 93 minutes. Astronauts see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day. Advanced life support systems recycle 93% of water, including sweat and urine converted back to drinking water. Oxygen is generated from water electrolysis, and carbon dioxide scrubbers ensure breathable air. These systems keep astronauts alive in the vacuum of space. The ISS is a unique laboratory where microgravity enables impossible on-Earth experiments. Scientists study plant growth for future Mars missions, grow perfect protein crystals for drug development, test new materials, and understand how long-term spaceflight affects the human body. ISS research has led to breakthroughs we use daily: advanced water purification systems, robotic surgical tools, better prosthetics, and telemedicine technologies. Space research directly improves life on Earth. Medical breakthroughs include understanding osteoporosis by studying bone loss in space, developing treatments for muscle atrophy, improving cancer therapies, and accelerating vaccine development. Astronauts are guinea pigs helping all humanity. With a bird's-eye view of 90% of Earth's inhabited areas, the ISS monitors hurricanes, tracks forest fires, assesses crop health, measures ocean conditions, and provides critical climate change data. Operating the ISS costs $3 to $4 billion annually. That's $7.5 million per day for each astronaut on board. This covers crew support, constant maintenance, regular resupply missions, and keeping all systems running 24/7. Construction began in 1998 with the Russian Zarya module. The first crew arrived in November 2000. Over 40 missions and 13 years completed assembly in 2011. Since then, continuous upgrades have kept the station cutting edge. Over 290 individuals from 26 countries have visited the ISS, with some astronauts staying up to 437 consecutive days. The station has hosted 63 expedition crews, each advancing our understanding of living in space. Keeping the station supplied requires a global effort. 93 Russian Progress, 73 Soyuz, 50 SpaceX Dragon, 37 Space Shuttle, 21 Cygnus, and other missions have delivered food, water, experiments, and equipment. After over 30 years in orbit, NASA plans to safely deorbit the ISS in 2031 using a specially designed spacecraft. The station will make a controlled descent, burning up in the atmosphere before splashing into the Pacific Ocean at Point Nemo. The ISS's greatest achievement isn't just science, it's proving that former rivals can work together peacefully. This station paved the way for future moon bases and Mars missions. This is part 1 of our space station series. Next episode, China's Tiangong Station, a completely independent space program costing $8 billion. Subscribe so you don't miss it.